everyone, this is Kate. I am an independent sipologist with Steep Tea, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the most amazing lattes. All right, so people are always very intimidated when I say latte because they think about Starbucks and all the machines. Guys, it's so easy to do at home, so much healthier and so much cheaper. All right, I was a Starbucks addict. I used to get like 2 chai lattes a day there. I probably spent like $10 a day on Starbucks, which really adds up. It's like $300 a month. That's a lot, all right? Whereas in comparison, making my own, probably saving about $270 a month, not bad, okay? And it still tastes good and it's so much healthier. I'll go into that in a minute. So what we have here is our tea press, all right? This is a copper tea press. We also have one that's in silver, and that's our most common one. This one I got as a reward for hosting a party, okay? And it's just so easy to make. You take the top off right here, all right? Whoops. The directions are right on the back. So with a latte, you want to either use the tea press or steeping sacks, okay? Steeping sacks are kind of like an empty tea bag that you would put the loose leaf tea into. All right, so what it says is to add 2 teaspoons to the trendy tea press. All right, so I'm going to open this. Bear with me. There we go. Okay. Guys, it smells so good. It's like a cinnamon, ginger, I don't know, deliciousness. All right, this is what it looks like right here. So I'm gonna put 2 teaspoonfuls. This is our cup of tea spoon. Okay. Pour it right in there. And then it says to add 1 cup of boiling water. So I happen to have some water right here for you guys. See, I came prepared. All right, I'm gonna fill it up to about a cup worth. All right. Put a little more in there. Perfect. Oh, it smells so good. All right, you let it sit for 30 seconds. That's all you got to do. All right, and while we're letting it sit, I'm going to tell you about some of the amazing benefits of our latte, okay, and our ingredients. So, if you've ever looked at the nutritional facts on a latte from one of those chains, you'll see it has so much sugar, so much calories. It's frankly not healthy. Our lattes have 15 calories. Get that? 15, that's it. All right, it has 2 grams of added sugar. The ingredients are skim milk powder, organic cane sugar, black tea, cinnamon, ginger, cardamom, and spices, okay? It does contain milk. Like it said, it has the skim milk powder. So if you do have a milk allergy, I want you to be aware of that, all right? So it's been 30 seconds, and all you do, you take this right here, and you just push it right in, just like that. All right, and then I'm gonna let that sit for a minute, okay? I'm gonna show you our milk frother. So this is our milk frother. I do like to have a little bit of milk on top of my lattes, all right? And all you do for this is you take a little bit of milk. I've got my Fairlife right here. I love Fairlife, all right? It's got a little bit of protein in it, which is great. It tastes just like regular milk. I love it, all right? And then what you do, you put this on, and this is where you get your little arm exercise. So you move it up and down, all right? You get it nice and frothy, so you have that nice frothy milk flavor on top of your latte, which is delicious, all right? And you do this for about 30 seconds, okay? You get a nice good arm workout in the process, which is lots of fun. All right, as you can see, this only took me, what is this now? 3 minutes, all right? You're saving yourself a trip, too. You're saving yourself the gift of time by making it at home. All right? You can see, well, I spilled it, but you can see that it's got this nice little frothy flavor now, all right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take our chai latte that's in here, pour it right in. Okay. And then I'm gonna take my milk frother, try not to make a mess again. Okay, put that there, all right. And just pour the frothed milk right in there. You can see it's got a nice little creamier flavor than regular milk would have. Okay. All right, and that, my friends, is how you make a delicious latte with our tea press and our milk frother. Could it be any easier? I don't think so. All right, everyone, have a great day, and feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions. Bye.